Good morning, everybody. This is Ed Carter with the Trader Vision 2020 Featured Trade Idea, the setup and trade plan for Wednesday, August 8th, 2018. Before we get going, I want to invite everybody to the afternoon Trader Vision webinar. You're all welcome to come. It's in room 3. You go to hitandruncandlesticks.com, click on the trading rooms login button, and it is room 3. That will be at 4:15 p.m. Eastern, pretty much any Wednesday, but today for sure. And this afternoon I will be covering not only our new scanning widget, but also planning a couple trades, answering questions, and we'll just see where it goes from there. So please feel free to come and invite your friends, and I look forward to seeing you. So today's featured trade idea will be Glassworks, GLW, Corning Inc., makers of the Gorilla Glass that's in most of our monitors and TVs and such, other applications, as well as that ubiquitous Pink Panther fiberglass. As you can see, they've been for the entire month of July in a very strong rally. They ran up into resistance here about the first of the month, and for the last week have been trying to form a pullback that will hopefully turn into a J-hook. If I really go down in here, you can see we've had a very tight consolidation after a short pullback right here at the 23.6 extension of the run from July. And I'm looking for us to pop out headed back towards that J-hook and then get some follow through on the trend. So this well defines where we're going to put our entry above that little box of tight consolidation, and our stop just below that area of tight consolidation, which happens to also be just tight below the 23.6 fib retracement of this run. We'll be then looking for a follow through. We may have some resistance here at this breakout level, but even if we get some resistance and consolidation there, I'm looking for us to follow through on up to the 38.2 extension of this run, just following along in the trend. And let's draw the trend. Something like that is going to be kind of parallel to this fib line, this fib run. So that's kind of what I'm looking for. So that will be our trade idea for today. Let's see if we can't put together a plan. Trade log, account, GLW. We reported 725, so we have 2.5 months or more. We reported 725, so we have two and a half months or more until the next report. We've got some strong bullish conditions in our favor. Only the one short-term pullback on GLW as a bearish condition. Tons of liquidity here, and we're doing pretty good. Let's see if we can't put this together as one entry and 2 exits. So we're looking for an entry above this box. So the box goes to 33.18, so let's call it 33.20, just for argument's sake. And that 23.6 pullback or retracement is 32.43, so let's call that 32.40, with our first target up here all the way up at 36.93. Now we may see some resistance, as I said, at this breakout level around 34.15, but I'm willing to hold through that. I will just watch it, and if it looks like we've got a failure, I will have moved the stop up and I will close it out. But I'm looking for the run on up into this level up here, which is going to be about 36.90, with a second target up there around 38.60. Those parameters in place. It says we can do 187 shares. I know we can't do 200, so let's look at 175. Still 6% of the account. Let's do 100, and let's just look at 100. We might be able to squeeze 120 out of the trade. Can't even do that. I'll stop messing with it. Just say 110. That gives us only $88 back here to the stop. In fact, I'm probably just going to lower that. Let's lower that to 35. Give ourselves a little more room to work. Still under $100. $93.50 to our stop. If we sell half the trade at that first target, we pick up $203.50 in profit, 11%, 11.14, and we're getting 4.35 to 1. If we had to sell the entire trade at this first target, we'd make 407, well exceeding our trade goal. So in order to make our trade goal, we need to see the thing reach 36.38, which is right in this area here. So if we can reach this area here, not quite to the first target, we can make our trade. If we can sell half that first target and then hold on to the second half, we can then eventually get, I wonder why I didn't save that. Let's try that again. 38.6. We can get 16.25% off that second target, giving us overall almost 14% trade and $500 profit. So that's well worth it. So we're looking at over 4 and over 5 at the two targets in terms of our reward to risk, and that is well worth it. So that will be our trade idea for today. Please evaluate this against your view of the market. And I do think the market, while bullish, we are showing some toppiness. We're putting in dojis and gap up dojis in some of the indices. Not great. Not great indicators, particularly on a little bit of reduced volume. But look at this versus your view of the market, your trading style, your rules and criteria. If you do decide to take it, I wish you the best of luck. We always wish you the best of luck regardless in the markets, and I hope to see you in the trading room as well as at tonight's Trader Vision workshop at 4:15 Eastern, room 3.